Yes, an atom. Can you see me? Oh yes, I know you can see me on your screen, but I am just an imaginary picture of an atom. Real atoms are too tiny. You can only see them under a very special microscope. Actually, this big microscope can be called a machine. Okay, now you know that we're so tiny that we can only be seen with machines. Now, I have a question for you. Do you know the meaning of your name? Very good if you know it. If you don't know, ask your parents. But I also know the meaning of my name. It means that which can't be cut, that which is uncuttable. Actually, it's a Greek word, which means it is indivisible, which means it can't be divided further or can't be cut further. Let me show you something. Let me ask this man to cut the apple in his hand in half. Now do it again. Please do it again. Keep doing it until you can't cut it any further. Yes, this is the smallest part which you can't cut any further. But it can also be cut under a microscopic machine. So, if you get a part so small which can't be divided further, it is called indivisible. It can't be cut further. It is uncuttable. It is an atom. Let me tell you a secret. Everything is made up of atoms. You, this water, this table, this blackboard, this fan, these fruits, everything. Everything is made up of atoms. Oh, you're right too. Everything is made of molecules, but all molecules are made of atoms. Confused? So now, friends, now I would show my body. Yes, I would show different parts of my body. In the center of an atom, there is the nucleus. It is made up of even smaller parts. These are called protons and neutrons. Each of these protons carries a positive electrical charge. The neutrons are equally as heavy as protons, but don't carry any electrical charge. So, the nucleus of an atom is positively charged due to protons. Now, electrons are outside the nucleus. They are orbiting around the nucleus. The electrons carry a negative charge. The total negative charge of electrons is equal to the positive charge of the nucleus. So in total, an atom is neutral. The positive charge of the protons is neutralized by the negative charge of the electrons. So it is like +1 is neutralized by -1, and overall charge of an atom becomes 0. The electrons are moving outside the nucleus at a very high speed. Can they run away from the nucleus? No, they can't run away. Every atom has the same number of protons, electrons, and neutrons. So there is an attraction between equally strong negative and positive charges. Due to this attraction, electrons can't run away, as positively charged protons keep them pulled towards them. Hope this is all clear to all of you. Otherwise, you can always go back and see it again. Now let me explain how we atoms bond together to form a molecule. It's just like the letters getting together to form a word. Electrons keep moving in shells outside the nucleus. Each shell contains a fixed number of electrons. The first shell can have 2 electrons, and the second can have 8 electrons. The third can hold 18, and the fourth can hold up to 32 electrons. The atoms in the outermost shell of an atom are called valence electrons, and the outermost shell...
بعد مشاهدة هذا المقطع التمثيلي إليكم هذا الملخص. الذرة هي أصغر وحدة بنائية تتكون منها المادة ويمكن أن تدخل في التفاعل الكيميائي. الذرة تتكون من نواة موجبة الشحنة بها نوعين من الجسيمات، بروتونات موجبة الشحنة ونيوترونات متعادلة الشحنة، ويدور حول النواة إلكترونات سالبة الشحنة، وبالتالي فإن شحنة الذرة متعادلة. تدور الإلكترونات حول نواة الذرة في مدارات ثابتة 7 مدارات وتسمى مستويات الطاقة.